In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add DNS records on Godaddy. If you've been looking for a simple way to manage your domain settings, you're in the right place. Let's go step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the Godaddy homepage. In the top right corner, click Sign In and enter your login details if you aren't already logged in. Once signed in, you'll land on your Godaddy dashboard. From here, look for the Domains tab on the top menu and select Manage Domains. This will bring up a list of all the domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to update and click the Manage button next to it. On the domain settings page, look for the section called Additional Settings or DNS Management, then click DNS. This will open the DNS management page where you'll see all the current DNS records linked to your domain. To add a new one, click the Add New Record button, usually found near the top or side of the page. A pop-up form will appear. Here you'll choose the type of DNS record you want to add, such as an A record, CNAME, or MX record, depending on your needs. Then fill in the details. The host name, the points to value, often an IP address or another domain, and the TTL setting, which determines how long the record is cached. Double-check everything before saving, since incorrect DNS settings can cause your website or email to stop working. Once you're sure it's correct, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully added a DNS record to your Godaddy account. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, so don't worry if you don't see updates immediately. Congratulations, you now know how to manage your DNS records on Godaddy. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on managing your online presence. Thanks for watching.